guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Priya and today's video is about general monsoon hacks that you can follow during this monsoon. Now that the gods of rain have blessed us with rain and we've got rid of the dreaded heat, we finally have rains here. So with with every monsoon there is a common problem that comes with every monsoon. So today's video is focusing on the hacks that you can do to overcome these problems. So without further ado, let's get into the video, and before we do that, please press the subscribe button if you've not yet subscribed to my channel. So let's begin. So the first one, when during monsoons your clothes are not properly, they don't get dry like the ones in summer where it gets crispy. So in monsoons it's always you don't exactly know if they're dry. They feel they are dry, but still there's some moisture which is there in your clothes. So for that we have these babies here. Now they've just got dried actually, because I got it like 2 weeks ago and I planned on doing a video 2 weeks ago, but with this lockdown and everything, you just can't get into that mental state of coming out or getting up from your bed or doing something. So yeah, let's not talk about that. Let's just throw that there, because yeah, finally overcome that. So neem leaves. Now these are neem leaves, and you can use the fresh ones also. Dry ones are also okay. I usually use the fresh ones, but yeah, now they are dried, I'm not going to throw them away. I'll place them. So neem leaves are like a natural absorbent. You can place them in your cupboard, you place each of them in your cupboard. They're like natural absorbents. Just also are camphor and naphthalene balls, but I prefer neem leaves over both of them is because this is antifungal and antibacterial. So as I mentioned before, if you have clothes which are little moist and you put it in the cupboard, there's a smell that comes, and then you never know if fungus or bacteria is there with those clothes. But neem leaves kills them all. That's why I prefer them over camphor and naphthalene balls. So the first hack is to place neem leaves in your cupboard so that they absorb moisture and also the musty smell that is there in your cupboard. Now the second hack, during monsoons, there's so many flies and mosquitoes and all that come up. I have literally so many marks on my legs just because mosquitoes used to bite and I used to scratch it because I was very lazy to do what I knew. So now that you look at it, when you see marks, you don't feel very good about it, and because of your laziness it's there. So the second hack is to heckle mosquitoes and flies. So now the second hack for mosquitoes is that you need to cut a lemon into half, and once you cut it into half, place cloves inside lemon, and then keep this lemon near the places where keep it near the windows and doors from where the mosquitoes and flies get into your house. Now the third one is keep a Ziploc cover like this, like a zip pouch in your bag. This is an old one. I on purpose took an old one which was a used one. I did not want to waste any more. So in this you keep one like this always handy, especially college going girls, because we commute by public transport and all, so it's always better to keep a pouch like this, one or two. You can put in your wallet in this, you can put in your mobile phones and then your headphones and everything that you want. You can put it in this and then just ziplock it. So once you ziplock it, everything will stay intact and this sits in your bag very nicely, and you will not, whatever your valuables are, they will not get wet. So this is one major hack. Always keep one of these handy in your bags. One or two rather. So the next one is about my favorite food item, that's rice. Now also, before I get into the actual hack, rice is a very good natural absorbent. So you can also place rice within your cupboard so that it soaks moisture. Now this one is not about the cupboard thing. This is not the hack. So once it starts raining, there's always an issue with that salt ka dabba. The salt does not come out. So what you can do is that put in few rice grains in that dabba, so that the salt just does not stick up to each other because of the moisture. The moisture is eaten up by the rice grains. Now as you can see, I've already done it the moment it starts raining. So that was it guys for these general hacks. Now I'm going to create an entire playlist for monsoon. So this was general hacks. Next we'll be doing hair, skincare during monsoon, and also doing a lookbook. So I'll be doing a monsoon lookbook, and which will cover preferred colors and fabrics and everything that you should wear during monsoon. So stay tuned for more videos on these on monsoon. That was it for this video. I hope you all liked it. If you all did, please give this video a thumbs up and also like, share, subscribe to my channel. Ta-ta!